If you own a 67 to 72 Chevy C10 and you haven't replaced your Beltline or glass run weather strip, then more than likely it's cracked up, dry rotted, or even missing in some cases. That's why CJ Classic Truck provides this awesome Beltline and glass run weather strip kit to be able to change out on your C10 if you're having those problems. This kit is made to OEM specifications, and it will be an 8-piece kit that's going to work for both the driver and passenger side door. The black style belt lines include clips that come pre-installed to ensure an easy installation, and once installed to act as a squeegee for your door glass. Once you pick these up and install these, you'll be able to keep the elements from the outside getting into the interior of your cab, and you'll eliminate some of that road noise.